If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Acrobat lets you create PDF files from web pages in Acrobat Pro. To create a PDF from a web page, first click the Create button in the title bar to open a new document tab and show the Create a PDF from any format screen in the new document view. Then click the Web Page option at the left side of the screen. Then type or paste the website URL address to convert into the Enter URL or Select File field that then appears at the right side of the screen. Alternatively, to select an HTML file to convert from your local computer or network, click the adjacent Browse button, use the Select File to Open dialog box that appears to find and select the saved HTML file to convert to a PDF, and then click the Open button in the dialog box. The local HTML file's location then appears in the Enter URL or Select File field. Optionally, to convert additional levels of a site hierarchy from a selected URL, check the Capture Multiple Levels checkbox below the Select URL or Select File field. Then type the number of additional levels to convert into the Get Number of Levels field. The top level includes the specified URL page. The second level consists of all pages linked to that top level page, and so on. Be careful converting multiple levels of a website, because downloading even 2 levels of a site can take a long time and create a huge PDF. It is not recommended to select the Get Entire Site option, as many websites are too large to convert into a single PDF. Most often, you'll want to use the Get Number of Levels option button and enter the number 1 into the adjacent field to convert the selected URL and its linked pages. Additionally, to only convert pages subordinate to the selected URL, check the Stay on Same Path checkbox. To only download pages on the same server as the selected URL, check the Stay on Same Server checkbox. Optionally, to set advanced conversion options, click the gear-shaped Advanced Settings button to open a Web Page Conversion Settings dialog box. On the General tab of this dialog box, you can change the settings for the file type, bookmark creation, headers and footers, and PDF tags. The settings on the Page Layout tab let you adjust PDF settings like page size, margins, page orientation, and scaling. To apply any changed settings, click OK in the dialog box. Alternatively, to cancel the changes, click the Cancel button. Either way, you then return to the web page screen. To then create the PDF, click the Create button. Acrobat converts the website and displays the Download Status dialog box. Depending on the size of the selected HTML page and number of levels you selected to convert, this process may take several minutes. When the operation is finished, the Download Status dialog box closes, and the new PDF appears in the document view. Occasionally, the error dialog box may appear on screen at the end of the conversion if errors were encountered. You can read the error message and click OK to dismiss it. By default, Acrobat applies the name of the converted website to the new PDF. You can change the name of the PDF when you later save the file if needed. If you've captured multiple website levels, note that Acrobat displays the website hierarchy in the Bookmarks panel in the navigation pane. You can then edit the PDF further or save it to your computer. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.